welcome to Yemizkitchen, where we cook authentic African dishes, African menu with all American ingredients. Today I started my Ghanaian food series. I've already made the tolo beef and I'm doing the waakye rice and beans and the stew. Okay, let's go. Here for my waakye, I'm using black-eyed beans. I've already soaked them. This is what it looks like soaked. And here I am using 4 cups of rice, jasmine rice to be precise. I'm using this stick or the sorghum leaf. I bought this from African store for $3.99. Sorghum leaf. I have cut this. I am going to put some of the sorghum leaf in the beans. And you're going to need a teaspoon of baking soda to soften the waakye beans and to get the red color of the waakye. Now I'm going to wash my sorghum leaves and I'm going to put it in my beans so that all you need right now is salt for the waakye rice. So I've washed and put the sorghum leaves in the beans. I am going to let it boil to bring out the color. When the color turns red, then I'm going to put the rice in it. Okay, so now you see that the beans is cooked and it's red. Make sure the beans is cooked. So I have already washed the jasmine rice. I'm going to put it in as I'm doing right now. This is the Ghanaian Waakye. This is the street food. This is one of the biggest food they eat in Ghana. Well, my viewers, if you don't like Yemizkitchen right now, please like and follow me on my social media. Let this channel blow. If this is good enough for you, share with your family. Share my video with your friends. Share. Like, follow on all my social media. Click the notification bell so that you can see new videos as I upload them. Love you. Thank you for being my viewers. So I'm going to allow the rice to simmer for 15 minutes. And now I'm going to put thyme in it. I'm going to put it salt. Okay, our waakye rice and beans is done. Dinner is ready to be served. Ghanaian waakye rice and beans is done. Let's serve now and see how I dish this. Waakye rice and beans completed. So this is how you serve your waakye. You serve it with waakye sauce, curry water, and kind of protein you like, preferably 2 proteins, spaghetti, pear, and boiled egg in the traditional way. But I am serving mine with the sauce. I hope you like what I've done and I hope you enjoy the process of cooking this waakye rice. I want to use the opportunity to say thank you all so much for watching and for following on my social media. God bless you all. Please subscribe and leave a comment below. See you in my next video. Subscribe, like, follow, press notification bell, and interact sometimes. Love you. Don't forget, choose to be happy. Happiness is a choice. This is Yemi. Mwah.